So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason your Apple Pencil just isn't charging. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one thing to keep in mind is that there's so many different Apple Watches now. The way to go and charge it up can be different per Apple Watch. So if you have the Apple Pencil 2, the Pro, you can plug it into the side. But the first thing you want to do is making sure you're plugging in your Apple Watch the way it's supposed to be plugged in. So double check the wires if you have the USB-C model. Double check that you're actually placing your Apple Pencil in the right proper area where the Apple Pencil is supposed to be connected. Because if you're even a little bit off, it's going to stop your Apple Watch or Apple Pencil from actually charging. So that's number one. Also, when it's placed on top of the when it's placed on top of the iPad, you want to make sure it's properly adjusted and properly placed. If it's like at an angle like this, it's not going to charge probably. If it's like upside down, if it's not connected properly, it's not going to charge up. So you want to make sure that your particular Apple Pencil that you have is charged up and it's completely fine. Because if you're running into problems there, that's going to be the number one issue that you're going to run into. So that in of itself is another very important thing to keep in mind here. Now on top of that, you may want to make sure that your Apple Pencil just actually isn't disconnected from your particular iPad. Sometimes if you have an Apple Pencil, it may just mean that your iPad and Apple Pencil are just not really configured properly. So you may want to go ahead and make your way over to your Bluetooth settings of your Apple Pencil inside of your iPad and make sure that these things are connected. Because if they're not connected, well, that's going to be the other problem that you're going to run into. So that usually will end up fixing the problem for a lot of people as well. If you do that and that's still not working, you may also want to just make sure and just see if you have another iPad laying around or making sure that the Apple Pencil just in and of itself doesn't have another issue. You can try kind of tightening the tip of the Apple Pencil a little bit more, seeing if that ends up fixing it. And if you have a USB Type-C Apple Pencil, you may want to make sure you're charging it via the actual iPad, because sometimes if you charge it via another device, it may not work. So those are the main ways to go and fix the problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.